Oh, hi guys. Welcome back again to the vlog or another beautiful vlog. I don't know. So, I'm all dressed out. I'm going out to go and get some stuff this morning. And I don't think I'll be carrying you guys along because I'll be leaving my phone at home. Reason why I'm leaving my phone at home is because this one, the battery is low and I don't want to be filming with my techno because mixing, like bringing those clips from different side and putting them in one place is a very, very big task for me in terms of transfer. Initially, I don't know how to explain. Initially, my iPhone, I can transfer through Zenda. I can transfer my videos through Zenda. Sorry, my baby girl is washing. I can transfer it through Zenda with my iPhone to my Android and then my Android to my iPhone. But recently it's no longer working. I don't know why. I tried to do update on the both phones. I think it's the iPhone that is having issue because I can transfer Android to Android, but I can't transfer Android to iPhone. I don't know if you guys got what I'm trying to say. So that's what I'm trying. Any of my clips I want to film, I'll just film it with one particular phone. If I'm using Android, I'm using Android. If I'm using Techno, I'm using Techno, okay? I don't know if you guys understand that grammar. So I'm going out this morning to go and get some stuff. I'll be leaving the phone like I've earlier said. Enjoy the rest of this vlog. Once I come, I'm going to give you guys update on how everything went. And if I cannot, guys, let me know. I got this skincare. Let me go and bring it. So I got this Clara View Hydrating Facial Cleanser. See, to be honest, it's not the facial cleanser that I wanted to get. I wanted to get the face wash, but I was confused since I have not used like I don't know the difference. So it was later I was seeing I think I saw it in one of YouTuber's video where she was doing the facial where she was showing the facial cleanser, and I now noticed that I did not buy the facial cleanser. I did not buy the facial wash. I went and buy hydrating facial cleanser for normal to dry skin. And you guys, let me know, is this thing really working? I've used this for about 2 weeks now. I don't know if it's working. I think the only things I noticed in my face is that my face is no longer that too dry. I don't know if you guys get it. My face is no longer too dry, and I don't used to have all those, how do I call it, is it plenty ice bag again? Am I right? I don't even know. But let me know in the comment section, have you been using this? What do you think this is? Do you think this is working the way I'm using it? Because I'm using it now as my normal facial wash, or should I get another facial wash? Let me know in the comment section. This is not cheap, to be funny. I got it for 24,000 naira. I nearly faint. But when I came back to the house and I noticed that it was not the facial wash, I was not happy, but I said I'll just continue to use it. So let me know, can I continue to use this as a facial wash, or should I get another facial wash and be using this for another way? Is there any other way of using this particular one? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So that washing that this my baby is doing is really disturbing. I'm going to be seeing you guys when I come back. Bye.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Look at the camera. Look at the lens. This lens. Let's go.
Hi guys. Welcome. Hi guys. As you all know, this is Little Vibes and my mom is Vibe with Sonia.
Like, what's so special about this movie?
I love it.
hair. So she's just packing other stuff. I wanted to use this kinky, but I didn't use it again because I noticed that natural hair is just okay for what I wanted. And at least she's going to carry this thing for like 2 weeks. I say 2 weeks, 2 days. Look at that, she's like 2 days after that, or 1 week. Yes, now this is not capable of reaching 1 week. Scrapable. So what are you now saying? Let me carry this. Are you with my other phone? Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my beautiful channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another Vibes on your table. Say hi. See me and this girl. Since we are walking under the sun. Anyways, guys, Mommy-in-law is at home. They've been here since yesterday, and they are going to be staying till Monday. And like, it's just going to be fun back to back. So they're here to see Madame, this Madame. Then they are here to see me, and they are here to see Hobby as well. So we've been having fun. I didn't vlog when they came in because my phone was down. That's the truth. My phone was down, and this morning, very early in the morning, I left home. Like, I left to go and do 1 or 2 things. Okay, so anyways, if this is the first time, the noise on the street then is something else. Anyways, if this is the first time you're tuning in, do well to like, subscribe, and stay hooked in this vlog, because definitely I know you guys are going to be enjoying this vlog. Okay, so for those of you that have not dropped comments on my channel, I wonder what you're waiting for and why you've not dropped comments on my channel. Drop comments and let me know the kind of cars everywhere. God, Keke is coming again. Oh, the Lord is my strength and my salvation. Who shall I fear? Anyway, I'll see you guys later.